Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you on how to lock Telegram with a PIN. By following these simple steps, you can add an extra layer of security to your Telegram app and protect your private conversations. Let's jump right into this full guide. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your device. Look for the Play Store app icon and tap on it to launch the store. Step 2. Once inside the Play Store, use the search bar to find an app called Applock. Tap on the app from the search results and then tap on the Install button to begin the installation. Step 3. After the installation is complete, tap on the Open button to launch the Applock app. Step 4. Inside the Applock app, you'll notice a 123 icon located in the top right corner. Tap on it to access the app's settings and PIN setup. Step 5. In the PIN setup screen, enter the desired PIN that you want to use to lock Telegram. Once you have entered the PIN, tap on the checkmark icon or the OK button to confirm. Step 6. Retype the PIN code to ensure accuracy and tap on the checkmark icon or the OK button to proceed. Step 7. Applock will require certain permissions to function properly. Allow the app to access the necessary permissions by following the on-screen prompts. Step 8. Now, go back to your device's home screen or app drawer and search for the Telegram app. Tap on the Telegram app to open it. Step 9. Once you're in Telegram, Applock will automatically lock it and require the PIN for access. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you enhance the security of your Telegram app. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.